So we finally doing this again for the second time because the first one all rusted. So we're redoing it. It's not easy all around. So far I have what? 6 bundles. We did it all the way to the ceiling so the cats don't come in here. So, hi goaties. The goaties are in the pen. That's how we're fixing it. They come in here. Starting next week, they will not be coming in here. These are the ones Hannah gifted me. This one, that tiny one, and this one. There were 2 tiny ones, 2 kids, but the brown one passed. And that's the male of the house. The one my mom gifted my husband. But that kid is so cute, man. So
Mom,
petite.
How come their eyes are far away from each other?
I don't know.
And Mom, the circle that we have in our eyes is a line. See, Mom?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Mom, I want to touch the baby.
No. Hi, Goldie.
Mom, will it let me touch it?
Hi, Goldie. She's not chasing them around. So that must mean all of them are pregnant.
Mom, it's eating a bean.
Hi, Goodies. Are you visiting with us? Hi, Goodies. Hi, Goodies. Hi, Goodies. The wire mesh. 4 bundles did this side. So I presume another side will take 4 bundles. So far so good. We're gonna put some buttons here and then here to secure it, just like this, something like this. See how? And then at the bottom here. But you know, definitely the chickens will jump here and poop here and all kind of things, but that's poultry farming for you. So this is how it will look in the middle, and then here. And I'm so happy to be getting these done. And then we make sure we did it all the way to the roofing sheets so the cats don't come in through there. I mean, when the cats are where the feet are, it's good because they chase away mice and rats. But my cats are spoiled. They love egg. So sometimes in the storage, they jump from there and then get in and eat eggs. So by the time we come from the house, if you have any stock in the farm, you see that they've eaten some. So that's what we're doing. So something like that. There's no space there for them to crawl through. Well, they're very flexible, so they might, but we're trying our best to keep them from doing that. Today is day 3 of the wire mesh. And yesterday I was home, then I got a call that my carpenter has been spotted leaving the farm with a bundle of my wire mesh. Called and he denied it. So today we're gonna just count the meters and do some tallying because I'm tired. I'm tired. You can't trust anybody. But I trust my village people because I'm very nice to them. Maoli, wire mesh no mean height no a length no how many meters? 8 feet. So it's done. We did the counting of the wire mesh and I'm still missing 1.5. And I brought 10 here. So definitely it's true what the villagers are telling me, but he's still denying it. It is done. Checked off the list. This is how it looks with the buttons. So finally gone. Was rusted. So here it's done. I'm going around. It sucks having to do things multiple times, but I learned the hard way. When you send people to buy you things, they buy what they want to buy and keep the rest of the money, I guess. So the first wire mesh was totally garbage. I put it in even before we got to use the coop. It rusted. And it took me forever to raise the money to do this. Well, I don't want to use our own personal money, so we wanted to come from the chicken, and at that time the chickens were not laying yet, so I had to put that on the side and then raise money for it later. So I'm glad it's finally done. Even on top of the gable too has been done. Done. Now we're gonna buy 2x3 to divide this coop into 2. And he said I'll need 95 pieces and one is 35 Ghana cedis. So that's my next goal, to raise the money to buy the 2x3s so we can divide this coop, and then we're ready for our next batch. So yeah, all done, checked off. He put the bats inside. I bought 20, so he all is done, and then he salvaged what he could use from the old. So it's done. This is how it looks. You can't see, but that's it. So it's all done. Checked off. On to the next thing, the wood. 95 pieces to divide it.
Let me see inside. Come closer. You see. See, here is bent. The whole of this place is bent. Let me see.
Oh, okay.
It's bent. The whole of this place, the whole of this wire. Look at this black one. It's gone. This one is gone. This red one too is gone. This one too is gone. This blue one too is gone.
And this is the changeover, right?
And this is the changeover.
But we don't use it.
No, you don't use it.
Yeah.
Because there's no light here.
Yeah.
The person brought it because maybe you are going to use solar.
Just in case. Yeah.
So that one can still be there, no problem. You are getting my point.
Yes.
And who put this cable here? I think this one is bigger. Look at this two. It's bigger than these two. Have you watched it? Look at the difference. This one is bigger.
Yeah.
Than this one. So this one is 2.5 and this is 1.5, and the 1.5 can cause the low voltage.
I don't think the electrician be changing wire, right? So that was original.
But don't worry, I'm just buying this one new one here, so I want to change this one.
Okay.
I suspected that.
That will be it, okay.
So if we change and the pump comes, fine. If the pump will come, we are going to buy another pump today.
I don't want to hear that. I have no money for that right now.
Okay.
This year, oh yeah. So this happened over time, and not just one day, and I decided over time.
It's over time.
Yeah, so this is the one that has been moved from the old one. Then they connected the wire straight to the switchboard, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
What I'm trying to say is that when we on your pump, I can see the cable, the temperature of the cable is too high. So it could be that the voltage of the generator is too high, or the pump itself is having a problem. So I don't want a situation where we go a mechanic, then he will come and there's going to be another problem together. So since I'm here, this is my pump. This is my own pump. This is 1 horsepower. Your own is 1.5. So I'm going to use my pump to pump the water. When I see that the temperature is okay for the cable, that means it is the pump, but not the generator.
Generator. Okay.
So we do, so that we go and buy a new pump, then we come and fix it. Then I will move mine because here is Poultry, we need water. So I will use mine to pump the water for you. So that we will go because when we want to buy a new one, it will take about 2-3 hours before
Yeah.
you get it from Accra. Then we come and fix it back for you nicely.
Okay.
So I want to use this pump to test your water for you.
Okay. Thank you. So this is heating up, honey. So Nasha.
But there is need no bottle. Don't find the other side. Use it. It's not. You can go. My keep straight to something. Keep it out. It's too. I know. It's too much. It's too much. I know. Yeah, but second also.
I don't know.
I know. This for children. Don't you know what? Okay. Small time. It's too much. Oh, you didn't take my cut here for me. Cut it. You cut it. You cut it. Go to my. Whatever you answer. Or the room one, come on. I mean, check. But I didn't check. What? This one.
What I say?
Wait, this part. Once a Fonsaka has a not all the small part here. Here. You see, when you're coming back, it's heated, but this side is not heated. Check this side and see. This side is cooled. It's telling that this very one, but this side is working.
Okay, so you can't change that.
We can change that one.
Okay.
But to buy this one, the difference between this one and this one is maybe
not
200
much.
cities. So why do you waste your money like that? So you buy everything completely. But you can buy the down one. Let's buy the down one. Then we change the top one is not.
Okay.
But I can afford to all.
Okay, honey. Pumping. Sisi I know do that. So we'll wait. I'm going to try that show. Here it is. That's the name brand. Made in Italy. After 3 years, the pump gave out due to electrical mistake during the hookup. I don't know who did it, electrician, the original one, somebody coming for maintenance. But so I had to invest in a new pump. Everything is hooked up and we're ready for business. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your love and support. And until next time, smile. Bye, guys.